Planning your social media content just got a whole lot easier with this brand new feature from Canva Pro called the Content Planner. So the Content Planner was just rolled out a couple of weeks ago. It's included in the Canva Pro membership. And if you don't know anything about Canva Pro, search my channel. I just did a video a couple months ago about the 8 reasons that I can't live without Canva Pro and why it's worth every dime. So go check that out so I don't have to rehash it here. I want to keep this short and sweet and show you exactly how you can quickly and easily schedule your social media content to wherever you need it to go. So my name is Jen Kenyuk. I'm your digital CEO, and right now I am inside of the Content Planner. I wanted to already have this pulled up because, again, I'm trying to keep this short for you guys today. You can schedule your graphics directly from Canva to Pinterest, to Facebook pages and Facebook groups, to your LinkedIn, and a couple of other places as well, all from one convenient calendar where you can see everything laid out. So I scheduled this pin to go tomorrow. I was able to pull a pin directly out of my Canva. I was able to select the board on my Pinterest page that I wanted this to go to. And I was also able to add a keyword description with hashtags as well as the destination. Also, I was able to set a title for this pin as well, and I'll show you exactly how I did that. So here is the Content Planner screen, and inside of here you can see what you already have scheduled as well as schedule new pins. So I'm going to choose a design that I already have in here. Let's find something. And I use pin templates. So I have these big files that are filled with a bunch of different pins. So I can kind of scroll through here and go, maybe I want to do this one, right? Well, when you do this, just make sure that you select the right one because it will not allow you to do all pages. It will only allow you to do one page at a time. So you want to make sure that you're selecting the correct page. So the best way to do that is scroll to the one that you like and then go ahead and you're going to just hit this present full screen, and then it'll tell you which pin number it is. So this is number 8 out of 9 in there. So then I can just hit this again. I can select that I just want page 8. Okay, and then hit done. Then I can choose a destination. So for this, I might not want to use any of these. So if I hit schedule to, it's going to pull up all the options of things that I can schedule it to. So again, Facebook groups, pages, Twitter, LinkedIn. So I'm going to go to Pinterest. It's going to pull up my boards because I already connected it, which is super easy to do. So let's say I want to put this onto my graphic design ideas and tutorials page. Now I can set a title. So Canva Pro, obviously this isn't optimized. I can go back, but then I can do a description. So description, blah, 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 blah. Okay, with a bunch of hashtags. And then I put the destination website where I want it to go, and then I can set the time and hit schedule post. So this is going to set it for tomorrow at 5:01 p.m. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that. What's really neat about this, guys, is that you can see everything that you have scheduled laid out together. So there's no risk in, scheduling the same posts back to back. You can see everything in a way that it's hard to do with any other program. There are more expensive programs that do similar things, but this is already included in your Canva Pro membership. And again, if you go check out, is Canva Pro worth the money? That's the name of my other post about Canva. You'll see how many amazing features this program has for just $10 a month to be able to do so much. It really replaces about 7 different programs for me anyway. So check this thing out, especially if you have Canva Pro. If you don't, you can get a 30-day free membership to Canva Pro to check it out and see what you think of it. And I hope that this helps you save time, schedule your social media, and get back to doing the things you like in life. Have a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe. And again, you can check out my other videos down below.